Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a modern home for sale in Heartease, Manchester. It is perfect for dual living or investment. This spacious and versatile property is ideal for multifamily living or generating rental income. The lower level features a fully self-contained two-bedroom unit, complete with its own bathroom, kitchen, living and dining areas, perfect for tenants or extended family. Enjoy a generously sized yard of 0.26 acres with ample space for additional parking, surrounded by a lush garden filled with fruit trees, including naseberry, June plum, ackee, orange, and tangerine, plus taking the serene city views from your own backyard. Located in the peaceful Heartease community, just under 50 minutes from the heart of Mandeville. Nearby amenities include primary schools, churches, and supermarkets. Everything you need within easy reach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million, US 216.8 thousand, Canadian 294.8 thousand, Euro 183.6 thousand, or 160.1 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.